Meaning of imprecise.
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 Imprecise. The term imprecise refers to something that lacks accuracy, specificity, or clarity. It describes a situation where the information conveyed is not detailed enough to be relied upon for decision-making or drawing conclusions. When an outcome or result is imprecise, there is uncertainty about the true value or extent of the phenomenon being measured or described. This could be due to limitations in the methodology, instrumentation, or the data itself, and may require further investigation or refinement. Overall, imprecise results are characterized by a lack of precision and should be cautiously interpreted.